Vinit, please confirm that my screen is visible. Please confirm it. Shall I start the session, Vinit? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, before starting the session, please confirm that my screen is visible and my voice is clearly audible. Okay, thank you very much. I'm starting my session. A very good evening to one and all. I welcome all of you on our today's wonderful session on the topic called as Demystifying the World of Artificial Intelligence. And we will see one project today that is called as a live COVID tracker analysis. Before going ahead, I want to tell very important thing to all of you. All the participant, might be you are students or might be you are the working professional. Remember one thing, that whenever we people are deciding to upgrade our skills in some particular topic, so don't directly jump to learn that particular topic. Then what to do? Before learning that topic, please do the pre-analysis of that topic. And in that pre-analysis, you should ask 3 questions to yourself. And you should know the answer of those 3 questions. What are those 3 questions? The very first question you are going to ask yourself is that, what is this topic about? And why it is so much needed in the market or in the industry? We should know the answer of this. Second important question is, why all multinational company, small scale company and the government organization are using this respective topic or technology, and what are the different application intentionally, unintentionally we people are using in our day-to-day life, and what application did societies are using. We should know the answer of this. And the third very important question is, what are the skills required in order to upgrade on this topic or technology? And after upgrading those skill set, what is an opportunity for an individual in the market like us in terms of job, in terms of entrepreneurship, that is startup, and in terms of higher studies for the research purpose? You should know the answer of this. And I will be giving the answer of all this question in the very easy way, so that the people belonging to the technical and non-technical today can able to understand this topic very easily, and why using this artificial intelligence term in our day-to-day life. So we are going to learn today artificial intelligence from the very layman point of view, and how we are using this terminology in order to convert the data into business. My name is Arpit Yadav, and I'm working as a senior AI scientist at CCE Bangalore. And I'm going to guide you today in the first half of the session, what is the exact meaning in layman term, what is artificial intelligence technology, and how it is useful in our day-to-day life in order to convert data to the business. And then in the second half, I will be guiding you how to do the live COVID tracker analysis project in the very easy way. About me, I would like to give a short overview about me. Just a second, guys. I did my engineering in electronics and telecommunication. I did my master's in nanotechnology. I did my post-graduation program in artificial intelligence and machine learning from the Texas University, USA. And I did my PhD in the machine learning and artificial intelligence. I'm having the total 12 years of experience, out of which parallelly, along with the main job as a senior AI scientist, I'm having the 8 years of experience into the skill development training. Across the world, I'm giving my session in the area of data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. I'm an international speaker in the area of data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, and generative AI. I have filed 4 patents till date in the area of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And I did so many certification in the area of AI and ML. About my mentorship, along with my main job, parallelly, I'm mentoring so many companies, startups, as well as university across the world. In that, I'm working as a mentor with IIT Jodhpur, IIT Guwahati. I'm working as a mentor with BITS Pilani, BITS Goa, VIT Vellore. I'm also working as a mentor with Upgrad and other institutes. And I've recently joined as a GeeksforGeeks, which is a wonderful institute. And I've been working as a mentor with LJMU University, UK, Regenesis Business School, South Africa, and so many university I'm working in their board of member, so that I can guide them how to use this technology step by step. There are so many other associations. I'm highlighting the few one. And after that, whatever the small work I have been done, I have been rewarded with the 4 award. in the area of artificial intelligence and machine learning. I have received the award as Excellent in Inspirational Scientist Award in the 7th International Conference on Engineering, Science and Medicine. Again, I have received the award of Excellence in Research Award from the Progress Global Foundation Award 2020. I received the award as a Best Corporate Trainer Award and the Best in Innovation Training and Design Award. So this is the award which motivates me to do something better for the society. And this is a short overview about me, guys. Now let's go ahead, deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And I want an interactive session. I want one help from Vinith, those who are the coordinator of today's session. Please let me know in between if any question participant is asking. Please let me know so that I can address those questions. Okay. So I want to know how many participants are joined, how many are from technical, non-technical field, so that I can guide them in a wonderful way so that they can learn this technology to make their career. So let's start the session from this slide now. As I told you, whenever we people are deciding to learn any new technology in the market, don't directly jump to learn that. What to do? Ask 3 questions. So if you people are deciding to learn artificial intelligence technology, then that 3 questions will be like this. What is artificial intelligence and why it is so much needed in the market? Why it is famous in the market? We should know the answer of this. Second important question is why all the multinational companies, small scale company and the government organization are using this respective technology, and what are the different applications they are building on the basis of this technology so that we common people can use those applications in our day-to-day life operation and to make our work productive. And a third very important question is what are the skills required in order to learn the artificial intelligence technology? And after upgrading AI skills, what is an opportunity for an individual like us in the market in terms of job, either a government job or private job, in terms of entrepreneur, that is startups, or either in terms of higher studies, that is PhD and the research. And I will give the answer of all these questions very easily. So let's go ahead. And it is a wonderful slide, guys. Now, please concentrate carefully. Either it is a Google, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Meta, Infosys, IBM, TCS, Wipro. All those companies, those who are working in the field of AI and in the AI project, this slide is the engine of all project. This slide is the engine of all project. Now let's understand the meaning of this slide. It is very easy. In this slide, there is a heading called as new normal in the technology. Okay, and I'm going to explain the meaning of all this slide in the easy way, but I want an interactive session. Those who are listening me, can you able to please tell me, guys, have you people heard about new normal word before? Please tell me. Have you people heard about new normal word before? Please tell me. I'm waiting for your answer. I want an interactive session. Let me join YouTube parallelly. Please let me know. Have you people heard about new normal word before? Please let me know. Have you people heard about new normal word before? Vinith, can you please let me know any questions from the participant? Please let me know. Have you people heard about new normal word before? Vinith, can you please let me know any questions from the participant? Please let me know. Have you people heard about new normal word before? Okay. So I will guide you that new normal means there are the 2 words in the new normal, new and the normal. Okay. So break into 2 parts. New is different and the normal is different. New normal meaning is that anything coming new to the world and become normal very easily. That is the meaning of new normal in the technology. So the same thing in the technological world, artificial intelligence is the new normal in the technology. From implementation point of view, artificial intelligence is very famous from the last 10 years. And from the theoretical point of view, artificial intelligence has already introduced to the world in the year of 1959. So from implementation point of view, from the last 10 years. So let's understand the meaning of that. In this slide, there is an equation. And this equation is called as adding AI to any X. We are getting business as an outcome. So what is the meaning of that? Whenever we people are adding artificial intelligence to any X, we are getting some application as an outcome. And by selling that application, we people are doing the business. So one question should arise in your mind that what is the meaning of X in this slide? So answer is very simple. X means any industry in this slide. X means any industry. There are n number of industry available in the market. Healthcare, automobile, agricultural, banking, logistic, transportation, social media, fashion, and so on. Every industry are facing thousands of problems in their day-to-day work operation every day. And those industry want problem of those industries are facing solution regarding that. So industry wants solution for the problem. Now they are taking the help of either technology problem help or non-technology. That means that problem is solvable with the help of technology or not. First, we are identifying that. If it is solvable with the help of technology, then those industries are approaching the IT people to solve those problems. And now we are understanding that those problems will be solvable with the help of AI or not. So let's take example. Let's take an example from the healthcare industry. Healthcare industries are facing thousands of problems in their day-to-day work operation. One of the major problem healthcare industries are facing, identification of deadly diseases. For example, cancer is one of the deadly disease. It has been observed that whenever patient is approaching for cancer treatment, so according to one analysis, it has been found that out of 100% cases, 80 to 85% cases cancer is detected at the last stage. At that point, doctors are helpless, medicines are helpless, and technology is helpless. We cannot save the life of that person. So this is a major challenge of healthcare industry. Now, healthcare industry want whether with the help of AI, this challenge or this problem can be solvable or not. And they are asking that if with the help of AI, we can able to identify the disease in advance at the early stage so that we can save the life of person. So what we people are doing, we are taking the data related to that cancer diseases and we are applying AI on that. And AI will do their work. I will let you know what we are doing exactly. And after adding AI to the problem statement of healthcare industry, that is early detection of cancer, we are making one application as an output. For example, mobile app. Now that mobile app is available in Play Store. The public will download that mobile app. And that mobile app, suppose you will scan your skin. Suppose I am solving the skin cancer problem. So scan your skin. So it will tell us that you are not having cancer. So that mobile app is an application which is built on the basis of AI to detect the person is having skin cancer. So in this way, we are adding artificial intelligence technology to the problem statement of the industries, and we are making some application as an output out of that. And by selling those applications, we are doing the business in the market. So this is an example. So in the same way, in the field of this part, X means any industry. There are n number of industry in the market, and these are the problem of healthcare. I have given the problem or example of cancer prediction. Now you can imagine the thousands of disease, diabetes detection, brain tumor detection, pneumonia detection, and n number of disease we can solve with the help of AI now. And we are going to make the business out of that. This is a healthcare example. Same if I will take the agricultural industry example. Agricultural industries are facing thousands of problems in their day-to-day work operation. And that problems we can solve with the help of AI technology. For example, if crop is having disease or not, we will take the photo of crop with the help of mobile app, and our app will tell that crop is having disease. So it is going to help the farmer that we have to make some chemical or whatever the pesticides available to treat that plant. So AI is useful in agriculture in so many ways. We can identify whether the given fruit is ripe or not. 24/7 drone monitoring and so on. So agricultural industry problems we are solving with the help of AI, and we are making some application as an output. Application may be drone, application may be mobile app, application may be some robots and so many things. So by selling those applications, farmers or agricultural industries are doing the business in the market. And we are solving those problems also so that farmers are getting the profit out of that. So this is that problem of agriculture industry and solvable with the help of AI. And then last, banking industry. Banking industries are also facing thousands of problems. We are adding AI to that problem statement and making some application as an output. And by selling those applications, we people are doing the business in the market. So for example, fraud detection in the banking industry, loan prediction, chatbot, and so on. And by making this application, banking industries are making the business out of that. So the three examples I have given from my side: healthcare industry, agricultural industry, and banking industry. Now those who are attending my session, if you are a working professional and if you belong to one of the industry, for example, manufacturing industry. So obviously in the manufacturing industry, they are facing thousands of problems. that we are calling as a problem statement. And then we are checking that those problem statement will be solvable with the help of AI or not. So we are adding AI to those problem statement, making some application as an output. And by selling those application, we are doing the business in the market. Okay. This is the meaning of that. So please let me know any question if you have, so that I can address your doubt and we can go ahead. This is a very easy. AI is everywhere. In every industry, AI is used nowadays, and so on. So not only industry, guys, we are using the AI to the other technology also. That means in this slide, the conclusion is add AI to any industry problem statement, give some solution in terms of application. By selling those applications, do the business in the market. That we people are doing. Now it has been observed that AI is not only added to industry, AI is also added to other technology also. If you heard about IoT technology, so with the combination of artificial intelligence and IoT, we people are doing the business in the market. We people are doing the business in the market. How? We are making the smart homes, smart devices with the help of IoT and the AI. And by selling those devices, we are making the business in the market. For example, smart traffic light signal. So whenever we are traveling and suppose we are standing at the signal, and if any person is breaking the signal, so that camera is having the intelligence that, okay, this vehicle has break the signal. So that camera will capture the number plate of the vehicle. That is with the help of AI. Intelligence is there behind the scene. Which vehicle is breaking the signal and which is not. So the technology behind the scene is AI. They are capturing the number plate. Now, after capturing that number plate data is sent to RTO office with the help of IoT devices. Okay. So the combination of AI and IoT is making the product that is suppose smart signal, and we are doing the business out of that. Like that, you can imagine n number of devices, n number of product which we can make with the help of AI and IoT, and we can do the business out of that. After that, not only with IoT, we can make AI added to the blockchain, also with the cyber security. And we can make some cyber security application with the help of AI, and business can be done. So the meaning is that if you will see from starting till now, I haven't started teaching you AI, but I'm telling you that where is the AI, why it is so much important, why companies are using that. And the overall conclusion is this: AI is added to any industry, to their problem statement, and application is output, and business can be done. And AI is added to other technology also. So overall thing is AI is everywhere. Now, if you will go deeper into AI, now I will be bringing the 4 words in front of you. To learn AI, we cannot directly learn AI. AI is dependent on some other terminology and other part. And that 4 words are data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and then we can go for AI. So this entire part is helping every industry to solve their business problem. And now today we will see that how we are solving the business problem and getting the work done at the output. So let's go ahead. Now this is called as the end-to-end life cycle. Actually, this slide I have to explain at the end of the session, but I am bringing in the first part in order to explain you with the intentional part. And again, I am going to explain the same slide at the end of the session, then you will understand the real meaning of this. Whenever we are solving any project in AI world, so this is called as the step-by-step procedure in order to solve this project. Might be many people will not understand the terminology written here, but don't worry, I will guide you in a very simple way. And the same I will explain at the end of the session also. So whenever we are getting the project from the client, that we are calling as a problem statement and the business understanding. We are understanding that what is that problem about, how it is solvable, it is solvable or not, as so many things. And once we are understanding the problem statement in the very detailed way, clear way, after doing the n number of meetings, then in the second part, we are checking that whether that problem, if it is solvable, so what is the data required for that? After the data requirement, data collection. So we are collecting the data of that project from the various sources of the market with the help of various tools and technology from our company. That part is called a data collection. And the team which is involved for doing the data collection is called as a big data engineering team. So this is that part. After that data validation, we are checking the quality of data and so on. And then we are going to do the data cleaning, which is called as a data pre-processing. After doing the data cleaning, we are applying the algorithms to the data, that is called as data modeling. We are changing certain parameters of the algorithm, that is called as a model tuning. And the output of algorithm is a model. With the help of that model, we are doing the predictions in the market for the business purpose. And that model evaluation means testing the model. And then we are deploying that model for the real-time application so that common people can use that. And then model monitoring. So these are entire life cycle of AI in order to solve any business problem in the industry. And I will explain it brief after the session as well, because just remember that this is our world actually. I am also following the same process to solve the project. Now, after this, let's go ahead into the 4 words that which are required to learn the artificial intelligence technology. And that 4 words are data science, that is called as the data analytics in the company, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. Now, the major question is that who people can learn this? Data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. What is the exact meaning which is not available in the internet and books? What is the exact meaning of data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and AI? Why we are learning this? How it is impacting our day-to-day life? Why it is so much famous in the market? And what are the skill set required? What are the job opportunities available in the industry currently? What tools we are using, application, and the challenges. So let's learn step by step in the very easy way and the layman term. So who can learn data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and AI? Very important and very easy. Actually, this is my favorite question. Whenever I'm giving my session across the world, participants are from the technical and non-technical background are asking me this question. Many people are from the mechanical background. They are asking me this question, whether this is learnable by a mechanical engineer or not. Participants are from the non-technical background. Those who are from the banking industry, those who are from the manufacturing industry, sales department, marketing department, HR department, and so on. So every time I was giving the answer that yes, it is possible to learn that technology. But participants are not getting satisfied. So what to do? So I did some good thing now, some innovative idea I have brought up. And after showing that, I will ask the question instead of you people. So the thing is, the slide is this. Now please concentrate on this slide. In this slide, on the top left, his name is Mr. Siddharth Pillai. He is from Hyderabad. In 2019, one news viral in the Hyderabad that 7th standard student, Mr. Siddharth Pillai, got selected as a data scientist in the company. So in 2019, this news viral in the Hyderabad. And I was also working at that time in Hyderabad as a research scientist. So the thing is, I initially thought that this is a fake news. But after that, the company which has recruited Siddharth Pillai as a data scientist came forward and given the statement to the media that it is a true news that we have selected Siddharth Pillai as a data scientist, a 7th standard student, guys. Imagine 7th standard. Similarly, on this slide, on the top right, is Mr. Tanmay Bakshi, who is a 16-year-old boy, 16-year-old boy. And he is very famous in USA and Canada because all top giant company like Google, Meta, Amazon is inviting him as a guest speaker to deliver the talk on AI at the age of 16 years. And he's the youngest TEDx speaker. After that, at the bottom left, he is Mr. Sarang Sumesh, 8-year-old boy, which is very famous again in the over globe because of the reason he is the youngest who made AI robot. And his episode has been telecast in the History News channel. Okay, History News channel. Again, record has been broken. On the bottom right, he is Mr. Arham Om Talsania. Very famous again. The reason behind is that his name is recorded in the Guinness World of Record. And the reason behind that is that he is the youngest in the world who has cracked Microsoft Python examination. This is that part. So the thing is that I want to ask one question, reverse question to all the participants. If you are from the mechanical background, chemical background, electrical, electronics, if you are from banking industry, BBA, MBA, MCOM, anything, technical and non-technical person. If these small children, those don't have any background, can learn AI technology, then why you people are bringing your background in front? Background doesn't matter. if you belong to any background, you can able to learn the AI technology. It is an one tool. Just some few things are needed. If you have learned the mathematics of school days, if you have passed out the 10th examination, that is enough. And then after that, you can learn the AI in a very easy space. So the conclusion is any person, working professional or student from technical background and non-technical background, or either the school going kid, can able to learn artificial intelligence and machine learning technology. And how? I will guide you that. Don't worry about that. So this is the conclusion, guys. Okay. So don't worry if you belong to non-technical background also, AI, you can able to learn this part and I will guide you in the very step-by-step part. So once it is done, guys, then now why you are going to learn the data science technology? Please concentrate here. Very easy and simple. So the thing is, every company in the world are collecting the data from us via different channel. After collecting the data, they are keeping our data in their databases. Now, the company is having the huge volume of data in their database. Now, what the company want to do with that data and that database? Answer is very simple. Company want to solve the problem of demand and supply, that is problem statement based on that data, so that they can provide some solution to the society. And after solving those solution, societies get it benefited, and that problem based on that data given the business to the company. So the line is data converted to business. How data converted to business? By solving the problem statement of the company. Hence, because of this reason, as data is giving the business out of that, so company has declared that data science is a very attractive career. It is a future and it is changing our world in our day-to-day life. This is that part. So converting data to the business is the field of data science. And how it is converting, let's see that. So what is the meaning of data science? You will not find in the internet any book. The definition is very simple. Data science is nothing but science of data to make a business. What is the data science meaning? Science of data to make a business. That is making data work for you. Now I will explain this with the help of one simple example. And that is this part. Guys, you know DMart. DMart, from where we are doing the grocery shopping. DMart. Now imagine that DMart owner is approaching us with one problem. DMart owner is approaching us with one problem. And DMart owner is telling us that, hey, can you please tell me, take my 10-year-old data of the DMart and tell me which product sold the most. Which product sold the most? So we are doing the meeting with DMart. DMart is our client and they are coming with the one problem. Hey, take the 10-year-old data of suppose Bangalore city, and in the Bangalore city, suppose there are 20 DMart. So take the data of all the 20 DMart of the last 10 years, which is a very huge volume of data, and just give me one information out of that. And what is that information? Please tell us that which product sold the most. Which product sold the most. Now, what we people are doing as a data analytics team or the company, we will collect that data of the DMart and that data will be called as a raw data, dirty data. Then after that, we are applying some science on that data. That's what it is called as data science, data and the science. We are applying some data pre-processing on that raw data or dirty data. After that, data is get cleaned because we are cleaning the data in the data pre-processing part of DMart. And on the clean data, we are applying some tools, data visualization tool, that which product sold the most. So from the graph, we will come to know that product number B sold the most. Suppose there are so many products. So we will come to know that product number B sold the most. Now we will call the meeting with DMart and we will tell the DMart, hey, product number B sold the most. So now I want to ask one question to all the participants, or those who are listening. Can you tell me that if you are a DMart owner, so if I am giving you this information to you that product number B sold the most, so what you will do with that product or what you will do with that information? Any idea? Those who are the participant, those who are watching live on YouTube, any idea? Idea is very simple. DMart owner will increase the stock of that product so that more business can be done. So I am getting the meaningful information from that. And that is which product sold the most, and I'm giving it to DMart owner, which is a stakeholder, client, and they will increase the stock of the product. So it means that data, 10-year-old data is giving the business to the DMart. That's what data is converted to business. That is the world of data science and data analytics. And this is that part. So we are collecting the raw data of different industry now. On the basis of different problem statement, we are doing the data pre-processing. And from that, we are getting either hidden information or some research knowledge out of that. And we are going to do the business from that. This is the meaning of data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. And after that, now one major question to all of you. Can you able to tell me, guys, from where the companies are collecting the data? From where? Any idea? I will take the 1 second pause or 10-second pause here. Please think it and tell me from where the companies are collecting the data. Any idea? Any idea? Okay, I will give due to the time limitation, I will give the answer. Companies are collecting the data from us. Companies are collecting the data from us. We are under 24/7 under observation. That means every day we people are generating the data. We are the data generator. We, our parents, our grandparents, society, our friends, and so on. Every day we people are typing the messages in WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, here and there. We people are uploading the images in terms of post in the social media. We are uploading the videos, reels, and we are generating the huge volume of data every day. We people are ordering the food from the Zomato and Swiggy. We are ordering the product with the help of Amazon app. We are ordering or we are going with the help of Ola and Uber here and there. So whatever activity we people are doing in our day-to-day life, we people are generating the data. We people are generating the data. We are all under observation 24/7. So that means every companies are collecting the data from us. On a single click, we people are generating the huge volume of data, and companies are collecting that data and keeping in their database. And after that, keeping the data in the database, companies want to do the business out of that. Company want to do the business out of that. And how they are going to do the business? Just I have given one example with the help of DMart. They will apply the tools on that raw data to make it clean. And on the clean data, we are doing the analysis. So this is that part. After collecting the data from us, companies are going to make a business. And this is the statistics of the data. Every day, we all are generating the huge data in terms of trillion bytes right now. And companies are collecting that. And because of that reason, whatever the data available with the company and they are doing the business out of that, they have declared that data is the new oil, information, and the asset of the company. We are living in the 21st century, which is declared as a data-driven world. So we people are living in the 21st century. That is a data-driven world, guys. Okay. And now everyone, those who are working in the company, your company is having the huge volume of data, and they want certain skill set that you should analyze our data and give the business out of that. That's what every company are forcing their employee to learn the data science and machine learning in the top priority. And this is that case. Once it is done, then guys, I will prove you that how our entire part, education field, industries are impacted by data science. Now let's talk about Indian education system. Our Indian education system are broadly classified into three categories: commerce, science, and art. Now I want to ask one question to all the participants. Can you please tell me, companies, those who are working in the commerce sector and the commerce education in India, is having the data with them or not? Think it logically for 2 minutes. You will come to know that companies from the commerce field and the education in the commerce is having the data with them. Okay, is having the data with them. Same question to arts people. Art industries and the education of art in India or abroad is having the data with them or not? They are having the data with them, guys. Okay. So the answer is very simple. Wherever data is available, data science and machine learning is applicable. So if you belong to commerce field, it is possible for you people to learn data science. If you belong to arts field, it is possible to learn data science because data is available in art industry. Same thing in the science, engineering and medical. In the engineering field also, every engineering branches is having the data, and in the medical domain also, every diseases is having the data. So wherever data is available, data science, machine learning, deep learning, AI is applicable. And if you talk about the engineering sector, so in the engineering sector, there are different engineering branches, as I told you, mechanical, instrumentation, civil, textile, this and that. Every engineering branches is having the data with them. And hence, we people are applying data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI technology on that to get the work done. So this is about education sector I'm talking about. Every education field is having the data with them, and we are applying the machine learning data science on that. Similarly, every industry that, remember my starting equation, AI plus X is equal to business. So adding AI to every X, X is what here? Industry. So we are adding AI to every industry, either it is healthcare, aviation, retail, automobile, finance, logistic, agricultural, social media, transportation, education, any industry. In fact, I would like to say reverse. Tell me any industry name which is not having data with them. Think it. Take 2 days of time. I search a lot. I didn't find any industry which is not having data nowadays. Every industry is having the data with them, and data science is applicable there. So the conclusion is very simple, that data science is everywhere. I have proved you logically that data is everywhere. Data science is applicable. Now, next part is why data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI is very famous nowadays. So let me tell you one thing very clearly. If you will search in Google, you will came to know machine learning, artificial intelligence is a very old word. It is not new. In 1959, machine learning and AI is came to the world. 1959, theoretically, 1959 it is declared. But it is not practically implemented at that time because of various reasons. And practically, we are enjoying AI and machine learning technology nowadays. Why it is so? What is the reasons behind that? So reasons are very simple. Reasons are like this. In 1959 to 2010, easily availability of data was not there. But today on the single click, easily availability of data is possible. On a single click in the mobile, when someone is posting the post on Facebook, you are either liking the post, sharing the post, commenting on the post, and so on. If you ignore the post, also data is generated. So easily availability of data is possible. After generating that data, where this data is going? This data is going in the database of the company, and what that database is having? Computer systems. So we are having the powerful computer system nowadays in terms of memory and the processor. And finally, we are having the powerful algorithms also, that is deep learning from the last 10 years, good advancement. And final, open source software tool. So the combination of these four, it is making us possible. Data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI very famous. Many startups are opening on this part. And once we came to know the answer of this, then the roadmap to learn artificial intelligence technology is this part. We have to learn AI technology according to step-by-step process in this way. Artificial intelligence is the 5-ladder building. And to learn AI, we have to follow this step-by-step process. We cannot learn AI directly, guys. That's what I told you at the starting of the session. AI dependent on this word called as data analytics, machine learning, and deep learning, and then AI. So to learn AI technology, step-by-step procedure are like this. We are going to learn one of the programming language that is called as Python. There are many programming language available in the world, but Python is on the top. On the second ladder, we are going to learn data analytics. Data analytics means what? The example I have given. Industries are having problem statement. They are coming with us and they want a solution out of that. So in the data analytics world, we are cleaning the data and giving the solution to the stakeholder. So the major responsibility of data analytics is to clean the data. And what we are learning here, skill set, mathematics, data science packages, data visualization tool, SQL and Excel sheet. So at the second ladder, we are going to learn SQL, Excel sheet, and then the data visualization tool, data science packages, and data cleaning to do the cleaning of the data. Output of data analysis is going to input of machine learning. So data analysis output is a clean data. So in the world of machine learning, what we are doing, we are applying the algorithm to the data. And that algorithm will learn from the clean data. And then drawbacks of machine learning are there, which is overcome by the deep learning. The drawback is machine learning cannot perform well on images, video, audio, and text data. That is unstructured data. Hence, that is overcome by deep learning. In the deep learning, we are having the neural network techniques. And deep learning is divided into two parts, computer vision and NLP. Computer vision means what? Computer vision is the field which is solving the project related to images and video. That is data related to images and video. And natural language processing is the field where we are actually solving the project related to text and audio. And after deep learning, once you learn that, AI will open door of AI. So artificial intelligence is nothing but creating an intelligent machine, intelligent product. And that intelligent machines are Alexa, Google driverless car, Tesla driverless car, Sophia robot, Chat GPT, and so on. So this is the step-by-step direction in order to learn the AI technology. And the beauty of this ladder is that at every stages, jobs are available. Every stages. At the first ladder, you will get the job as a Python developer. Second ladder, you are getting the job as data analyst. Third ladder, you are getting as the machine learning scientist, data scientist. At the fourth ladder, computer vision engineer, NLP, data scientist, senior data scientist. And at the last, AI architect. So this is the process, guys. Simple and sober. Okay. If any kind of doubt, please let me know. And anyone can learn this part and so on. And this is the relationship between AI part, where if you want to learn AI, as I told you to learn AI, you want to learn machine learning, then deep learning, then generative AI. And this is the latest one. And that means large language model is a subset of generative AI. Generative AI is the subset of deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of neural network. Neural network is the subset of machine learning and AI. This is that relationship. So you cannot learn AI directly. Okay. Once it is done, guys, then as I told you, in the industry, we are solving the project in the very easy way. And that project involves so many things. So the thing is, I will explain this diagram to you now in the very easy and the layman term. Let's imagine, guys, we are solving one project called as diabetes prediction using AI. Diabetes prediction using AI. So to solve this project, we are dependent on the diabetes data because AI dependent on data, guys. So we are depending on diabetes data. So one question to all the participants, please tell me from where we will get the diabetes patient data. Any idea? From where we will get the diabetes patient data? Any idea? Think it. And tell me. I am taking 10 seconds of pause. Think it. Any idea? So we are going to get the diabetes patient data from the hospitals, doctors, clinics, pathology laboratories, and so on. These are the data sources. So think that if I will go to any hospital and I will ask them that, hey, give the diabetes patient data, they will give you data? No, they will not give you data. Okay. So initially we are having the tie-up with the hospital. We will have the legal contract with the hospital, and then only hospital will give the data to us. So it indicates that initially we will do a tie-up and then legal documents, and then hospitals are ready to give the data. So concentrate carefully in this diagram. There are the three blocks, A, B, C. A block meaning is big data engineering. B is divided into two parts, data science and machine learning, deep learning, and C is the deployment. So our project name is making the diabetes prediction app, mobile app. So let's start the project. So the big data engineering block number A is having the responsibility that they are going to collect the data from the hospitals with the help of various tools available inside our company. Also, big data engineering can able to take the data from all the sources in the market where diabetes data are there. So in the overall term, we can say that big data engineering team is having the responsibility of collecting the data related to project from the various sources of the market with the help of various tools available inside our company. And after that, collecting the data, they are storing the data, maintenance and the security of the data. That is called as a big data engineering. And the tools which we are using is called as the SQL, Hadoop, Spark, and Apache. After that, once we collected the data, that data we have given to the part number B, data analyst team. So that data we are calling as a raw data. So data analyst team will clean that raw data with the help of Python, data visualization, data science packages, and so on. And then in the part number B, that clean data is given to machine learning team. Just we have seen in our previous diagram. Okay. So that machine learning, deep learning team will apply the algorithm to the data. Algorithm will learn from that and output is a model. And this model is responsible for predicting whether the person is having the diabetes or not. And this model we are giving to deployment team, which is converting the model into real-time application called as mobile app. And at the output of C, we are using the mobile app. This is the end-to-end project. Might be possible you are not understanding the terminology here. Don't worry, but flow is this. And in this flow only we are doing the project in the company. So this is end-to-end project flow in the world of data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. Once we did this, the same diagram I have explained to you, that business understanding, data requirement, data collection, exploratory data analysis. So the business objective is diabetes prediction. And then to solve the diabetes prediction, we are noting what is the data required. Then we are going to collect that data from the real-time market, that is hospitals. Then we are going to do exploratory data analysis, that is data cleaning. Then modeling means applying the algorithm to the diabetes patient data. Then output of algorithm is a model that we are going to evaluate. And then if that model is working good, that is prediction of diabetes working good, we are going for deployment and then monitoring and so on. So this is called as a data science life cycle. So once it is done, guys, so please concentrate now on the skill set part. This is the world of data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. So after learning Python language, as I told you in the second ladder, that is called as a data analytics, we are learning SQL, mathematics, data science packages, data visualization tool, and data cleaning. This is the part we are learning under the data analytics part. By learning all this, you are going to get the job of data analyst in the company. These are the skill set required. That is data science packages, NumPy, Panda, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, Scrappy, and SciPy. Then mathematics, then data visualization and data cleaning steps. Once this is done, then next portion is machine learning. Machine learning and deep learning are used for predictions. And the skill set required in order to learn machine learning is this. These are the types of algorithm: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, reinforcement learning, and so on. So we are learning all those algorithms for the prediction purpose. Output of this machine learning, that means there are drawbacks of machine learning which is overcome by deep learning. So in the deep learning, we are learning neural networks, perceptron, artificial neural network, and so on. And deep learning is divided into computer vision and NLP part. And we are learning the algorithm of computer vision and NLP there. This is that part here. So once it is done, then finally door of AI will open. This is the artificial intelligence, guys. So artificial intelligence is having the two words, artificial and intelligence, break into two parts. So what is our duty inside the company? Very simple. Our duty is that provide intelligence to machine artificially. Or in other words, create an intelligent machine which behave like us. So we are creating intelligent machine, that is called as a machine intelligence. And we are comparing that machine intelligence with us human intelligence. So comparison is going on. Machine intelligence and human intelligence. When we are comparing this, so we came to know that machine intelligence are far ahead than us in many categories. That is faster mathematical calculation, faster memory, and so on. Whereas we human intelligence are far ahead than machine intelligence in many categories. For example, we can feel the emotions where machine cannot. We can feel the taste of food where machine cannot, and so on. So at the end of the day, in the final comparison, we came to know that we human intelligence win the race. That is, there is no any intelligent product available currently in the world which can beat human in all aspects. That kind of intelligence is called as artificial weak and narrow intelligence. Whatever the intelligent product available in the market are weak, they are not having that intelligence enough to beat us. After that second category, artificial general and strong intelligence. Means scientists are very optimistic that one day will come where machine intelligence will over or same, not overtook, same. Machine intelligence will have the same intelligence as human intelligence. That we call as a artificial general and strong intelligence. And the third, one day will come where machine intelligence will overtake human intelligence, and that will be called as a artificial super intelligence. This is that part. So AI is divided into three categories: artificial weak intelligence, general intelligence, and super intelligence. So once you learn the AI, guys, this is a very beautiful journey. And this is the dot connected step by step. You are going to learn this part. So finally, we are going to learn all those skills that is called as a Python programming language, data visualization tool called Tableau Power BI, mathematics, machine learning algorithms, then deep learning algorithms. The library related to machine learning is scikit-learn, deep learning, TensorFlow, Keras, and so on. We are going to learn statistics part and so many things. These are the tools used for that. And for the mathematics, we are learning statistics, probability, linear algebra, and the calculus. These we people are learning. And once we did that, so these are your future guys. Those who are intended to become a data scientist, those who are trying to learn data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI, this is your future. So as I told you, learn, these are the skill set and the tools in the same diagram. Learn the Python language, learn the mathematics, data visualization tools, data cleaning, machine learning algorithm, deep learning algorithm, cloud computing, data engineering, and advanced Excel along with SQL. So this is your future. And all we are going to learn in the Geeks for Geeks program. Entire things we are going to learn in the Geeks for Geeks program in the very easy and the layman term way. And once you learn all those skill set, these are the job role ready for you. Data engineer, data analyst, machine learning scientist, and the data scientist. What is the duty of data engineer in the company? Very simple. Data engineer is responsible for collecting, storing, maintenance, and the security of the data. Data analyst is responsible for cleaning the raw data into clean data. Machine learning scientists are responsible for applying algorithm to the data. And data scientist is responsible for creating the good model. So data scientist should know all this work. So data scientist is little bit higher designation in the company and the very important. Once it did, these are the other designation: data scientist, machine learning engineer, NLP engineer, data analyst, data engineer, data architect, business analyst, and so many guys, so many. So very easy to make a career in the world of data science and machine learning. It is very easy. So once it is done, guys, okay, so that these are the various applications you are going to build in the market for the entertainment industry, healthcare industry, automobile industry, driverless car, healthcare industry, cancer detection, and so on. Once it is done, guys, then finally, I would like to go for my second part of the session, that is COVID analysis, live COVID analysis. I will show one project to you people. And it is very, very easy project. Till this time, if you people have any doubt, please let me know. Please let me know. I will take a 10-second pause. I will check the YouTube whether any questions available or not. Okay, just a second, as I'm checking that. Just a second. Please let me know any kind of doubt available so that I can solve your doubt. Any kind of doubt, guys. Vinith is available. Please let me know any doubt in the chat section so that I can address those doubts. Please let me know if any doubt. If no more doubt, I'm going forward. Okay. So guys, our today's hands-on session is called as the live COVID track. Live COVID tracker means live in front of you, Government of India website. We will take the data and we will do the analysis of that. So I will show you that. So I'm copying this in front of you, this, and I'm pasting it here. So this is the data on which we are working. This is called as a JSON data, JSON file, data available in the dictionary format, JSON data. But let me show you that Government of India website from where we are collecting the data. So I'm showing you that. Check it. So just a second. Now check it. This is the Government of India website. From this, we are going to do the live COVID tracker analysis. This is on the date 8th of June. Today is the 8th of June. This data has been updated in the morning 8 a.m. So today, currently in the India, there are 217 active cases. Total number of discharges this much. Total number of death is this much. Total vaccinated data is this much. But we want COVID-19 analysis on the basis of state. So if you will come to the bottom of this website of Government of India, okay, here there is one link called as COVID-19 state-wise analysis. If you click on that, so check it. COVID-19 India on 8th of June at morning 8 a.m. This is the data. This is the statistics. And we are going to do the COVID tracking on this data, live COVID tracking on this data. So the same table data we have taken in the JSON file. There are total 35 states in India, including Union Territory, 29 plus 6. So we are having total 36 record here, 1 to 36. And the details of each and every section is given here. Andaman and Nicobar, active cases are 0 today. Total number of cure is this much. Total number of death is this much. Same thing, Assam is 1. Total number of discharges this much and the cure is this much. This data is given. Now we want to do the analysis on this data. So what we are doing, we are making the JSON file. So this JSON file is for 35 state. This is the first state data. In that it is showing that what is the name of the state, how many active cases, what are the positive cases, keyword, date, and so on. This is that part. So we will going to read the Andaman and Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, and up to 35 state. So come to our practical file now. What we are doing, with the help of Pandas package, which is a data science package in the Python, we are going to read the data from the different format, and we are converting the data to data frame, and we are going to do the data manipulation on that. This is that part. So we are importing Pandas as PD, and this with the help of Pandas package, we are reading the JSON data. This is a JSON file data only. This is it. It is written here JSON data. So I am reading the JSON data with the help of Panda. I have given the link of that JSON data here. And this line is now reading the JSON data from this link, converting the data to data frame DF. And now I am checking the DF. So once I am executing this data, so let's check it. It is actually going to show me this table only, this table. So check it. Andaman and Nicobar is having 0 active case on today's date. So check it, guys. Andaman and Nicobar, active cases are 0. Total positive cases is 10766. Check it. Total positive cases is 10766. Then total keyword is 10637 and so on. So this is the live data we have taken from the Government of India website in terms of JSON file, and we are reading that. So what we are going to do, that this kind of data is called as a raw data. Now we are going to do the data cleaning, and on the basis of data cleaning, we are going to give that data analysis, that means clean data to the analysis people, and they are going to do the analysis. But before going ahead, right now, who required this kind of data? Who is the client for this kind of project and so on? So the client is many. Hospitals require this kind of data. Pharmacy industry require this kind of data or this kind of analysis. Social media, and then media, that is our printing media as well as TV media require this data. So let's take an example. TV media is our client. Aaj Tak news channel want that, hey, can you please give me live COVID analysis every day at morning 9 a.m. Because Government of India is updating this website data every day at 8 a.m. And we will get that 8 a.m. data, and we will run on this file. We will get the graph, and we will send it to Aaj Tak. So Aaj Tak company want that, hey, can you please give me live COVID analysis data on the basis of that part? Okay, that is which part? This our analysis. Give me the graph, and so that I can broadcast to the nation. So Aaj Tak want this. So what we did, we collected the data, and now we are going to clean the data. If you'll observe this data, in this data, serial number is one column, and by default, Panda is giving one serial number by default starting from 0. So this is repetition part. We don't want this. Also, I want a state-wide analysis. I don't want a total of all state. So last data, last row is the total given here. I don't want this. So I will remove the last row and the first column with the help of this instruction. Don't worry about that. Those who don't know the coding, don't worry. Soon we will learn the coding portion and so on. Just I am showing the analysis, how we are doing that. So with the help of this instruction, ilog, I am reading all the row except last, and I am reading all the column except zero index column. So if I will run this instruction, then serial number column will be deleted and the last row will be deleted. And if I will check the DF, so this is the DF now. State name, active cases in that state, positive cases, and the keyword and so on. So this is the DF data. Now we are going to do the data exploration. And to do the data exploration, we are doing like this. Check it. I am writing in front of you. If I want to read the first 5 row of the data, I am writing df.head, which is going to give me the first 5 row of the data. See, this is the first 5 statement. Okay. df.head instruction is head instruction going to give the first 5 row of the data. df.tail. df.tail is going to give us last 5 row of the data. Okay. This is data exploration we are doing. So last 5 rows are 31 to 35. Then df.sample is going to give me any one random row out of 35 row. So it is reading that df.sample. Any one random row out of the 35 row. If I will run again, right now it is showing 15th number row. If I will run it again, it will give the new row now, 18th. If suppose I am writing here 5, so it will give me 5 random row from the 35 row. Take it. That for that purpose sample is used. Is again I will run that, new 5 row will appear. Take it. This is that part. So once we did that, so we are having this analysis. Just a second, guys. Yeah, sorry for there was a slight disturbance in the Wi-Fi. So these are the random 5 rows in the data. So once we did that, so I will write down df.column. This is our data exploration. How many columns in my data? Please tell me. So I am writing df.columns. It will give me total number of columns in the data. df.columns. If I will write down df.shape, it will give me total number of rows and a column in the data. Take it. Total number of row in the data is 36 and the total number of the column is 13. This is the data part. If I will write down df.d types, it will give me data types of the column. Okay, it will give me data types of the column. Check it. Okay, df.d types. It will give data types of the column. Check it. State name is object data type. Active column is integer data type. Positive is the integer data type and so on. If I will write down df.info, it will give me additional information. I will tell you that what is that additional information. Check it. Total number of columns are 13. It is giving the name of column. It is giving me what is the data type of the column, and is also showing me what are the non-null count in that column. Non-null count in that column. Okay, this is that part. Okay, so this is the additional information we are getting in the info. What is the non-null count of all columns? So 36, 36, 36, all entries are present and so on. Then after that, if I am writing that df.describe, which is going to give me the statistical analysis of the data. df.describe. So I should write down as a function. So df.describe. Check it. So it will show me that in the active column, what is the total count value? What is the average value of active column? What is the standard deviation of output column? What is the minimum value of output column? Maximum value of output column, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile, and so on. This is all descriptive statistics we are calculating on the COVID tracker. If I want to read any one of the column data, so I will write down df dot and I will write down that column name. Active is the name of column. So it will give me active column value. Check it. This is the active column value. In the other way, I am writing df square bracket active. This will give me active column value. Check it. This is that part. So once we did this, so we are ready to go for the data visualization, guys, and we are going to do with the help of matplotlib library. This is the matplotlib library which is used for data visualization. And NumPy package is used for calculating the array operation. So I'm executing this. In this line, what I am going to do, I am calculating the total number of state name. How many state names are there? That length I am calculating, and that with the help of NumPy we are doing, and we are giving the total states. So if I will execute total states, so answer is 0 to 35, total 36. 0 to 35 is total 36 state. So this is the total number of state we have calculated. Now we are ready to go for the analysis now. So see guys, first analysis I am doing total number of positive cases state-wise. Because ask the channel what? Total number of positive cases, total number of active cases, total number of death in the India on the basis of today's data. So this is the code we have written. That is a bar plot. That is horizontal bar graph we are going to draw with total states are 36 and positive column I am taking. That means state-wise positive analysis I am doing. And the rest of the portion is all our decoration part. Figure size should be 9/6. X-axis name is this, Y-axis name is this, total title of the graph is coronavirus and so on. So what I'm doing that, I'm executing this. So this graph, which is drawn in front of you, is called as total positive cases in India state-wise on the dated 8th of June, today's data. This is live COVID tracking. On 8th of June, this is our data, guys. This graph I can save also by right click, save image as, and I can save as a positive underscore 8 June. And this graph I will send it to Astak. Now what Astak people will do? They will check this graph and they will check that, hey, what are the top 5 or top 10 states are there which is having highest positive cases on the dated 8th of June. So we can see that Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, then Andhra Pradesh, like this. So this, how it is impacting our day-to-day life. When Astak will narrate this news to the citizens of India every morning. So what is the effect of this news, guys? The effect of this news are very clear. All the government, those who are having the highest positive cases in the state, is going to apply social distance rule. Okay. So they will do the hybrid work. Okay. They will ban so many social activity. Other state, those who are having less cases, they will impose the rule that if any citizens from state where highest cases are there is coming to our state, so should show COVID negative report. So the impact of this is very higher, guys. Business will get impact. All those states, those who are in the highest positive cases will not allow any shop to open after night. So business get impacted. Okay, this is the effect. Same thing, same code I have taken nothing. I have taken the same code. I have pasted. Only instead of positive, now I added new active cases. I want to know state-wise new active cases. Now if I will run that, so you will get new active cases, check it on the basis of 8th of June. So on the basis of new active cases, Kerala is on the top, then West Bengal, then Maharashtra and so on. On 8th of June, guys, this is the 8th of June analysis. Same, I will save this graph as an active under 8th June. And I will send it to Astak, for example. Same thing, same code I have copied and pasted here, and instead of active cases, I want total number of date analysis. I am running this now. After that, I will get the total number of date analysis in front of you. So on the basis of this information, many states will take a precautionary action and they will apply the social distancing rules. And if the dates are more, so they will give the precautionary actions to the hospital. They will give the more cylinders to them, oxygen cylinder and so on. So on the basis of this data, our day-to-day life is going to change. This analysis is going to change on when we are giving to the Ask News channel and so on. So the same thing, we can draw the different kind of graph in front of them. This is just one of the tool I use as a Python programming language to draw the graph. The same graph we can draw with the help of Tableau as a software tool, with the help of Power BI as a software tool and so on. So this is called as a live COVID tracker analysis with the help of Python and the data science packages. And we are presenting to the stakeholders. This is that part. And what are the skill set required? This skill set only which I have guided you. These are the skill set. If you check it, these are the skill set. I have explained this project with the help of Python, data science packages, and Matplotlib library. And the Matplotlib library. This is the project, guys. So this is the entire thing I want to show you, that today what we learn, what is the meaning of AI, data analysis, and what is the meaning of machine learning, deep learning, what are the different skill set required, what tools we are using, and I have just demonstrated the small project with the help of Python language, data science package called as Panda, and a data visualization library called as Matplotlib, and very easy project. And such kind of project we are doing in our everyday life. We are doing the predictive analytics project, data science project, machine learning, deep learning, and so on. So this is all about, guys. Thank you very much. Please let me know any kind of doubt you people are having. Please let me know. I'm open for doubt solving. Please tell me any kind of doubt. Let me check again a chat window so that you have any doubts, I can address that. Again, a chat window so that you have any doubts, I can address that. Again, a chat window so that you have any doubts, I can address that. Any kind of doubt, please let me know. I'm open for the doubt solving session. I'm waiting, guys. If no more doubt, then I will wait another 5 minutes here. I'll stop sharing my screen. Please tell me any kind of doubt. You people can connect with me in this contact information. Okay. You can connect with me in my LinkedIn so that I can address your all doubt. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for listening to me. And I'm stop sharing my screen. If no more doubt, we will wind up the session. Let me know, guys, any doubt. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session and we came to know the 4 different terminology. And finally, I'm winding the session with this concludent process. When to use what? Always remember, use data analysis when client want only past information from the data. That is hidden information from the data. Take the past data and give the hidden information out of that. That is data analysis. If the client want, hey, take my data and give the prediction from that. Okay, then we are using machine learning and deep learning. Prediction one. But in between machine learning and deep learning, machine learning only work on structured data well, that is Excel sheet data, CSV file, and so on. And deep learning works better on the unstructured data, that is data available in images, video, audio, and the text. And that is divided into 2 fields, computer vision and NLP. Computer vision means what? We are giving ability to machine, robots to see something. That is, they are seeing means images and video. That means we are giving vision to them. Vision means eyes. Natural language processing means we are giving the ability to machines and the robot to read, understand, interpret human languages. And that is text or audio. So natural language processing, data related to text and audio, computer vision, data related to image, video. And here we are using deep learning. And finally, we are using the AI and we are applying the AI when we want to create the intelligent machine like Sophia robot, Alexa, Google driverless car, and so on. So we are applying AI to create intelligent machine. We are using deep learning computer vision to do image and video kind of project, NLP for text audio kind of project, machine learning for structured data, and so on. So this is that part. When to apply what? Very simple and super. So that's all, guys. And if you have any kind of doubt, please let me know.